Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we are going to show you guys the cinematic sound pack that we've created. It is insane. Everything you hear in this promo was made from our sound pack. You can see all the waveforms here at the bottom. We have all these sounds, cinematic sounds, action-packed sounds, atmosphere, sound design, all kinds of that stuff at your fingertips, over 100 plus sounds. So this is the promo that we use. We actually use those sounds. So here's a little bit from it. So yeah, it is insane. So I just wanted to kind of take you guys through and show you what you get when you download the pack. So here's the pack here, Cinematic Sound Pack version 3. Once again, we're going to be adding a ton more sounds to this, so it's not just these sounds. You'll be getting free updates once you purchase every time we update the pack. So here's what it looks like when you open it. You're going to go in, you're going to have action, you're going to have these sounds, go to cinematic. There's a ton of cinematic sounds. You have like epic hits, you got like drones, you got like alien feedback kind of things. You got this like vintage kind of like what do you call that? Stranger Things. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys. Another thing is that these are all matching BPMs, so you can mix and match any of these sounds together and they will match and go with each other. So you can put, let's say for example, like we had here at the end, you can see that we have the bass, then we have the choir that comes in, then we have the strings, then we have the brass, right? So those are all part of the, you know, orchestra textures that we added in here. So if you put those all together, they're gonna work because they're in the same key and they're at the same BPM. So as you can see when we play this through, insane. So that's the pack. That's what we got going on. Thank you guys so much for purchasing and watching, and we will catch you on the next one.